What's going on, guys? Rob from Clicks Geek, and today's video I want to walk you through our landing page course, which is called Landing Page Academy, and there's some pretty cool stuff in there. So if you're interested in learning how to optimize your landing pages along with your Google Ads campaigns or any marketing campaign, really, it doesn't really have to be Google Ads related. If you need to drive traffic and convert that traffic more, this course is going to show you how to do that. So what you're looking at right now is inside our course curriculum. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. It's very short. This course is all meat. It's straight to the point. So Module 1, we have what is a landing page, where I just go through just the basics for brand new people. Again, if you're an advanced marketer, then this stuff is not going to be for you, like Module 1 and intro and all that stuff. This is just to kind of break the ice to people who are newer marketers. So that's the reason for this. So what is a landing page? And I go through why you need to use one. Landing page versus using a home page to a main website. And this is a huge one. A lot of people get this wrong, and they just think you can just build any marketing campaign and send traffic to your homepage, and that's a huge mistake. And I go through why that's a big mistake. Types of landing page builders and softwares. So these are the different platforms available to build your landing pages. It does not matter what landing page platform you use, as long as you keep the key principles in check with how to build your pages and the messaging in the pages and the campaigns. Then it doesn't matter where you build them, you're going to be fine. Module 2, the power of message match. This is probably one of the most important videos in this entire course. Everyone gets this wrong. Okay, so if you're saying one thing, I'll briefly give it to you. If you're going through your ads campaign for any, doesn't have to be Google Ads, any marketing campaign. If you're saying something in your marketing campaign and then you're taking them to a landing page or a website, and it's never mentioned again what you're talking about, or it's something else is mentioned, then that's your message match. And if it's off, it's going to crush your conversion rates. Those are the times where you're going to see people who have 3 to 7% conversion rates because their message match is dog shit. If your message match is on point, this is where you're going to see where you convert at 20 to 70%. All right, and I kind of go into a little bit more detail on that. You can see here, guys, these are not big, long videos. They're just straight to the point. They're very, here's how it works, here's why it works, here's how you use it. Social proof and why that's essential as leverage on your landing pages. Module 3, landing page copywriting 101, how to make your pages convert over 20%. And I go into all the different psychological types of copywriting stuff of how you have to structure and have your pages laid out so they convert. Creating your headlines with the perfect message match. Again, this is touching back on up here, message match. Building out your main call to action. That's a very important video. You have to have a central theme for your marketing campaign. It's got to be consistent across all your marketing channels. Improve landing page experience. So this is how to diagnose if you're running a marketing campaign and your campaign is not converting or is converting poorly. Then this video is going to show you how to, assuming that you've fixed the marketing side, the campaign side, which we show you how to do in our Google Ads course for Google Ads. In this part, we're going to show you how to fix it, the off-page aspects, which is your landing pages, how to improve your campaign conversion rates with off-page stuff. Then we got different style pages, button pop-ups versus lead gen forms, and I go through the different ones of those. Thank you page and their functions. There's some cool tactics in there about how to utilize your thank you pages. Module 4, building a landing page from scratch. In this one, I just walk you through how I do it in Instapage and kind of just narrate while I'm going through it while building a new page. Then we got another one here, plumber mobile lead generation page with a contact form. This page converts at 47% conversion rate, and I walk you through this page, and I also give you this page in the course. Limousine and party bus call only page, no contact form, 21% conversion rate, and you also get this page as well, and I kind of walk you through this page. Module 5, building a landing page on Instapage's platform, and I kind of walk you through from scratch how to build a landing page, how to import landing pages, how to use basically Instapage's landing page platform. Then we have building a landing page on Unbounce's platform, which we don't really use, but I go through and build a landing page on their platform too. Again, keep in mind, you don't have to use Instapage, guys. You can buy this course and you can use the information in it to build your landing page on any landing page platform, even WordPress, doesn't matter. And then we got how to A/B test landing pages in Instapage, how to A/B test landing pages in Unbounce, A/B testing in small chunks. Okay, so this is different tactics of different types of A/B testing you can do that you wouldn't think would have a huge impact, but have a massive impact. like button color or something small like that, or a word in the headline. Small stuff like that you can continually do week after week to improve your conversion rates of your campaigns. Then we have GDPR, which is General Data Protection Regulation. I just briefly touched on that. Doesn't really apply too much if you're in the United States, I believe, at this point in time. If you're in Europe somewhere or overseas, then yeah, this is going to definitely apply to you. You need to consult a lawyer and put more research into that. And then resources here, I give you just some basic stuff. Our agency services, Google Ads training course, Instapage software trial, unbound trial, landing page files that you can have, that download of landing pages that we currently use in active campaigns that convert really well. And you get a bunch of those: junk removal, commercial cleaning, limo and party bus, plumbing, and I think auto glass repair too is another one. And then we also give you pest control, which converts at 30%. That's a really good one. So if you guys have any questions, I know it's a very short course. It's not too crazy. It's very digestible. You can do this whole thing in a day and hit the ground running. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below in this video. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.